EVOK Pharma is currently up 60.43%. The FDA recently approved one of its drugs. So we have this piece on SeekingAlpha. It says EVOK Pharma up 71% on the pre-market on FDA approval. EVOK Pharma shares continue to rise as FDA approved their Gimoti metoclopramide nasal spray on Friday. The shares in the pre-market was up 71.5% to $4.03. Previously, the FDA OKs Evoke Pharma metoclopramide for diabetic gastroparesis. That was on Friday, June the 19th, 2020. So we just come over here and see what's going on. This is for in the last 6 months. We can see this spike, obviously what we're talking about right now. No put correction. It doesn't trade options at the moment, I guess. It has a short interest of 1.1%. Let's see if we can validate that on short squeeze. EV, is it? Yeah, Evoke Pharma, yes. Short increase is 120%. Short percent of float is 1.2%. So it's, yeah, that's about short interest is 272. Price 123. So probably they have been started to short it. It has a 24.7 million shares. So yeah, so they are probably correct. So but what we're looking at right now is 120% increase in short shares sold short, probably because of what has occurred right now. And yeah, okay, that's interesting. Okay, so let's get back to the charts and see what's going on here. You can see it has totally outperformed all the trend lines we have here. We have 20, 50, and 200, as well as the time series trend lines. The numerals are the simple moving averages. So and they are all at 20, 51, 180. That is for 20 day, 186 for 50 day, and 138 for 200 day. And the time series forecast is $2.36. So this is what's going on the charts of Evoke Pharma. Let's see if we can quickly dive in here and see what's going on here on chart mail. Yeah. So we have seems nothing's coming up there. Okay, so this recent spike in the share price of Evoke Pharma must have aroused the interest of some bearish traders, and they may have gone to sell some of that Evoke Pharma shares short. So let's see, have a look at technical analysis here, and let's see what they're saying here. Taking everything into account, Evoke Pharma scores 10 out of 10 in our technical rating, both in recent history as in the last year. Evoke has proven to be a steady performer, scoring decent points in every aspect analyzed. Long-term share trends are both positive. This is looking good. When comparing to the yearly performance of all stocks, we notice that EVOK is one of the better performing stocks in the market, outperforming at 8% of all stocks. On top of that, EVOK also shows a nice and consistent pattern of rising prices. EVOK has been, in the last month, has been trading in the $1.98 to $2.80 range, where it's quite wide. It is currently trading near the high of its range. So we come here and look at fundamental analysis, and not very wonderful. It's more of a growth, yes, more of a growth stock. They are much more greener here. EVOK shows a strong growth in earnings per share. Last year, the EPS has been growing by 34.09%, which is quite impressive. EVOK is expected to show a strong growth in earnings per share in the coming 2 years. The EPS will grow by 38.81% yearly. The EPS growth is stable. In the next 2 years, the growth will be about the same in the last 5 years. Let's see what it says here. And okay, let's see here again. Nothing here. It's the power of steel wave. Okay, that's the much we can cover on that. So it's evident that a lot of skeptics have their doubts about EVOK Pharmacy, and we also saw that their short interest has skyrocketed by 120% just at the time their share price opened up over 70%, currently trading at 69%, currently almost 70% now. Thank you very much for watching this video, and we're going to provide a link to all the data we used so that you can make your judgment yourself. Thank you very much again for watching this video.